Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually change your language settings on Master Combo Decoder. Alright, so you pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. Alright, so menu button, and then you look for system settings. Alright, so system settings on the right side of the page, you press OK on it, or the arrow right key to move to the other side. So here you come down to the language settings menu. Alright, so then on the menu here we have only two different languages, which is English and French, so you can change it to French right here. And we have the subtitle as well. Subtitle are the text that will appear on either a video or any news screen. So we have subtitle. You can also change it to French or English if that's what you prefer, and you press OK to save, and it's gonna you press exit and OK to save automatically. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you like the video, and you share on other platforms. Thanks for watching.